Good morning, this is Terry from terryslittlehaven.com, and I got in a sound pod to review. It's a neat little thing. It's a speaker. Let me see if I can focus in on it better. And it is from TechMatte.com. Okay, Abby is holding the sound pod. It's pretty neat. Can you turn it on for me, Abby? There's a little button in the back. Yeah. Okay, so it has an on and off button, and you use it with your tablets or your phone or whatever you need to use it with, and it's pretty neat. So I just wanted to give a little demonstration of the SoundPod music playing. It is a Bluetooth wireless speaker, and we've got several tablets here today and iPhones, and we're just trying it out, and we really enjoy it. So thank you for tuning in.